Hey there, welcome back to the Discount Vending Store YouTube channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered how to generate passive income while providing a convenient service to others? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Custom vending machines from the Discount Vending Store. These state-of-the-art vending machines are part of our Omni series. They are a game changer in the industry. Not only are they sleek and eye-catching, but they offer a host of benefits that make them irresistible for an opportunity. First off, let's talk about our touchscreen advertising. The Discount Vending Store's custom machines are equipped with interactive touchscreens, allowing you to display targeted advertisements, promotions, or even showcase local businesses. This opens up a whole new revenue of possibilities. Imagine earning money around the clock even when you're not physically present. These custom vending machines require minimal maintenance, saving you time and effort. We even offer a remote inventory tracking system through our touchless payment NIAX. This allows customers to maintenance their inventory from wherever location they may be. So, what are you waiting for? Be sure to head over to the Discount Vending Store's website, www.discountvending.com. Be sure to stay in the loop with our social medias. Take those first steps towards financial independence and start generating passive income today.